Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to introduce my daily routine. I usually wake up at around 5 in the morning. I stay in bed about 10 minutes before I get up. However, my alarm goes it off 4:45, but I turn off and sleep for 10 more minutes. I just after waking up, I take warm water and then I go to washroom and brush my teeth and wash my face. And I take a shower and then I freshen up and then take a shower and then I put on out of my gym clothes from my almirah and then I comb my hair. After that I worship and then I go to gym around 6:10. I do some cardio and workout in the gym. After 8:30 I come back home and change my gym clothes with some comfortable clothes. The first thing I do after that is grab something and then 5 to 10 minutes take rest and I have make a black coffee and prepare breakfast and I serve food with my breakfast with my family. Finally, I have my breakfast at around 9:15. 10 to 15 minutes doing have and I have to I usually watch some videos while have taking breakfast. And then I go to class at 9:45 to learn speaking course. So I come back home by 11:25. By then I feel totally exhausted. 15 to 20 minutes take rest and then I waking up my all and I then waking up all in my books and do my work. By this time I feel really tired. I have finished my work and then putting all in order. Generally, I have lunch at around 1:30 p.m. I take some sound sleep. At 4 p.m. I make tea and prepare some snacks with my family. And 4:30 to 6:30 I class and 6:40 I come back home and change my clothes. We all have dinner together at 7:30. While having dinner, we catch upon our day. After dinner, I help my mother do her work. I wash the dishes and then I go to washroom and change my clothes and brush my teeth. At around 9:30 p.m., I set the alarm and turn off the light and get into the bed. It doesn't take me a long fall asleep to sleep, and this is my daily routine. Thank you for listening to me.